Are you tired of projects going off the rails? It's time to start managing your projects better. Project management is a process that involves planning, executing, and monitoring a project from start to finish. It's about managing time, resources, and people to deliver the project on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. There are 5 stages of project management: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and project closure. Each stage has its unique set of tasks and objectives. The project lifecycle explains the phases that a project goes through from start to finish. It includes the project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and project closure. Understanding the lifecycle is key to managing a project effectively. Here are some tips to help you manage your project better. 1. Define your project scope and objectives clearly. 2. Break down your project into manageable tasks. 3. Set realistic timelines and budget. 4. Communicate effectively with your team and stakeholders. 5. Monitor and control your project's progress regularly.